Hello friends, I am JBN Dr. Arun Kumar Singh. We will discuss the topic natural resources. Natural resources. A natural resources is defined as a form of energy and or matter which is essential for the functioning of organism, populations and ecosystem. In the case of human, a natural resources in his words refers to any form of energy or matter essential for the fulfillment of physiological, socio-economic and cultural needs, both at the individual level and that of the community. Life on our planet Earth depend upon a large number of things and services provided by the nature, which are known as natural resources. Water, air, soil, minerals, coal, forests, crops and wildlife are of the example of natural resources. According to Ramed, a natural resource is defined as a form of energy and or matter which is essential for the functioning of organisms, populations and ecosystem. Classification of natural resources according to Odum. Natural resources can be divided into two categories such as renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources, any natural material that is used by human or resources that is earth provide for you. Example is water, petroleum, minerals and forest. Non-renewable resources are natural resources that can be replaced at the same rate at which the resource water is used. Example is tree and wind. Although many resources are renewable, they still can be used up before they can be renewed. Non-renewable resources are resources that forms at a rate that is much slower than the rate at which it is consumed. A fossil fuel is a non-renewable resources formed from the remains of planet and animals that lived long ago. Example is coal, petroleum, natural gases. Once they are gone, they are gone. Conserving natural resources. To conserve natural resources, you should try to use them only when necessary. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Soil pollution. How can soil be lost or damaged? Exhausted, lose fertility because crop planet year after year. Polluted, mining, chemical spills, humans, erosion by wind and water, desertification. Once wet area undergoes drought condition or grazing animals or cutting tree. How can soil be conserved? Soil conservation is the management of soil to prevent destructions. Contour plowing, crop rotation, conservation planning, wind breaks and leaving soil follow. Contour plowing fields along cusps of slopes. Conservating plowing, dead weeds and stalk are left in the ground from year to year. Crop rotation, plant different crops in a field from year to year. And windbreak, tree planted along the edge of a field. Trenching prevents erosion from heavy rains on steep hills. Water pollution. How can water be lost or cause damage? Point source pollution. Pollution that comes from one specific site. Example, a leak from a sewer pipe. Non-point source pollution. Pollution that comes from many sources reaches bodies of water as runoff. Example, street gutters, fertilizers, eroded soils, drainage from mines. How can water be conserved? By using only the water needed, by recycling water, by using drip irrigation systems. Wastewater can be treated by sewage treatment plants and septic systems. Air pollution. How can air cause damage or loss? Air pollution, the contamination of the atmosphere by the introduction of pollutants from human and natural sources. air pollutants, primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. Primary pollutants, industrial air emissions, vehicle exhaust and balcony ask. Secondary pollutants, the formation of smog. Source of human caused pollutants, industrial and indoor air pollution. Acid precipitation, the ozone hole. How can air be conserved? By legislation such as the Clean Air Act, by technologies such as scrubbers, device used to remove pollutants before they are released, by smokestacks, by change the lifestyle. Thank you.